Hey, what's up guys? I just wanted to make this quick video to give you an update on our raised garden bed and show you how we got it filled up with soil for pretty cheap, about 60 bucks. So stick around and I'll show you what I did. So this is the first layer here. All the bushes that we took out that were in this area, I pretty much just chopped them up and I'm using it for that first layer here in the garden bed. So that's directly on top of the hardware cloth. Just all the chopped up bushes. And then over here, this is about $60 worth of material from Home Depot. We got some peat moss I'm gonna put down first. And then we're going to put down the black cow and the raised bed potting soil there. So that's our plan. So let's see how it goes. Okay guys, so here's what everything looks like with it all filled up. Now again, that's a bunch of probably 5 or 6 big bushes that I broke down, put at the bottom. Then we put down the peat moss and then a layer of black cow manure and then the actual soil on the top. This is an 8-foot garden bed. It's 8 foot by about 2.5 feet. So that's a lot of dirt in there, a lot of weight that it's holding. Let me show you guys what it looks like underneath with the hardware cloth. No bowing or anything so far. It's holding strong, so we'll see how it holds up in the growing seasons to come. Alright, thanks for checking this video out guys. Next time we'll show you some of the stuff that we get growing in here. Show you how it looks. Alright, bye.